What's going on, fellas? This is a 97 Dodge Ram 1500, a 5.9 V8. Just recently installed a new AC compressor, the condenser, and the dryer. All very easy to do. Did it myself. Saved about $500. Basically, first step you need to do is hook up a vacuum, suck all your freon out. After your system is completely vacuumed, it's pretty easy to get to uninstall the compressor. It's a couple of bolts. See, one there, one there. You got one there, there, and then you have your little power lines right there. The belt is very easy. All you do right here, you stick a wrench and you could loosen up the tension and it comes right off. Okay, in order to do the condenser, it's easy. You have a bolt here, here, and you have your lines here and here. You simply take these clips off right here and here. You insert your tool to disconnect your AC line, and it just slips right in here and it comes right off. Very easy, guys. Well, next time I actually do a repair, I'll bring you guys along and show you exactly how I do it and how to save some money. I'm by no means an expert. Everything that I'm doing on my truck, I'm learning how to do it so I can save money. So stay tuned, and hopefully some of these videos I post will help you guys out. Have a good day, fellas.